Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video tutorial I will show you how to sort the data in a range or in a table. A sorting data means to arrange the data in a sequence or in order. As you can see, we have a data and we want to sort the data by student, marks and grade, and then by color. Go to data tab. And from here you will find sort, click here and a dialog box will open. And you sort by student and from A to B and then OK. Ready? Yes, and OK. And now you see that all the students which are starting from A shown up and then M and so on. So that are sorted by alphabets A to G. You can also check with G to L or custom created customly. Then create it and then add it. Then there's marks from largest to smallest. Now all the values are largest are shown first and then small now. If I want to sort by grade, then the grade first, A plus will be shown first and then double grade. So this is not shown first because we need to create a custom list. Enter comma, then comma, and then D, N, copy. A plus will be shown first. By default, X will show A first because it is not added. So this way you can create your custom list and show the nearby data by grade. If you want to sort by sample, based on sample, so you can select that color which one shown on the top or bottom, and then other color will be shown. So first G1, then other color will be shown. That way, if you select bottom, then other color shown other after blue. In that way. So in this way you can sort the data in a range or in a table. This way, and thank you for watching the video.